Have you ever had your clients experience scalp discomfort during their colour service? Well, this is a video for you. Today we will create a rich brunette whilst covering the greys and add some lightness to create definition. Marula Oil Blend Scalp Primer can be applied before all oxidative and lightening surfaces, instantly reducing scalp discomfort without impacting the colour result. You can use it for all techniques, in foils or freehand. The creamy consistency is perfect combination for highlighting techniques. Here I start with the lightening using foils to isolate, with low volume developer strength for control whilst maintaining condition. Next I apply my colour to cover the greys and add a touch of warmth. Same great result, no compromise on colour performance. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial on covering greys whilst reducing scalp discomfort.